So in this video I will be talking about first impressions. So first of all I will be talking about not just theoretical knowledge about this topic, but I will be talking about practical experiences and what happens practically, not just theoretical, because you know about first impressions that we should focus on first impressions. We should take care of our personality and how people will have an impression of ours for the first time. We should care about it, so we should keep it nice and we should keep it real. But I will be talking about something else, means what is actually first impression and how should be the first impression, means practically, not theoretically, because there's a lot of things theoretically going on about something, but the practical knowledge is completely different. Means there are some other aspects of first impressions that are beyond our knowledge, and those come only from practical experiences or practical knowledge. And that practical knowledge, in order to acquire, it takes more than 4 to 5 years. It takes more than 5 years. It takes a full lifetime experience of a person to actually know the first impressions of art towards someone. Because the things that we know about first impressions that we have studied, you know what they are? They are only for the corporate world, or they are only limited to a superficial level of first impressions. First of all, this is a general fact that our first impressions matter a lot. Means they matter the most, because that is something that is now permanent. You can't change the way the people have perceived towards you, because that is permanent. There may be changes to that personality that the peoples have focused inside their mind of yours. It can be altered, means there can be new knowledge can be added to that knowledge, but it will not dismantle, it will remain as it is. First impressions, according to me, should be totally real. You don't care about first impressions, and you are just forming it as it is your reality. So you are keeping your first impressions real. What will happen when you are keeping your first impressions real? First of all, it won't look like that you're focusing on first impressions. Then people will assume that you are just a guy who is just enjoying his or her life. He's not concerned about these types of things. Means it will have a good impression if you don't care about first impression. You just be as you are. And secondly, you should not focus that much on first impressions, because first impression will be automatically inside the minds of other peoples if you will focus on work, and that work will give you some achievements. Then you are wearing that those achievements you are wearing, means you are wearing, means like you have achieved an award. Now people know that you have achieved this award, and you are wearing that first impression of that first impression. You don't, means people won't care about first impression, because people already know about you because of your work, because of your achievements, because of everything that you are. They have heard about you because you are famous for your work, because you're famous for something. You're famous for your work, and you're not care because you've not cared about first impressions that much. You've cared only about work, focusing on the work. You've not cared that much about first impressions. And what will happen where is, you don't people will assume, people will check your personality. Means this is your achievement, this is your type of work. Now how are you nature wise, personality, means are you good or not? They will try to judge this thing only, that are you good or not, are you a good human being or not, for the people who are already famous because of something. So first impressions, you need to take care about something, that when your first impression is being taken place, you have to be polite, you have to be kind. Your face should not look worried, but instead your face should look calm and composed. You should not, means your face should not release that kind of energy, like negative energies like worrying, tension, anger. It should be simple and with a little bit of smile. This is the best first impression that you can have. But first impressions are something that doesn't needs to be focused that much. There are some places where they need to be focused, like giving interviews, or there are many places where your first impressions are taken into consideration, which are very important. But you don't need to focus that much first impression everywhere. How will you lead your life? Because everywhere, wherever you are going, daily the first impressions takes place everywhere, so you should not focus that much. There are some special places where your first impressions are taken into considerations. They are means they are officially and formally taken into consideration, so you don't need to focus it everywhere. There are some places where you need to focus them more, like in job interview. The first, how should be the first impressions? I've never given a job interview, so I can't tell. But I can tell is, from the theoretical knowledge that I've acquired, you should wear formals, means shirt and pant. You should apply perfume. You should comb your hairs. You should wash your face, clean shave. These are all the things that reflect your first impression. Because when you are giving a job interview, these things are also enough for you to get a job. Means your look wise, if you are nice, means you are tidy, clean, it will 70% of the job is yours. Now next is your speaking skills in English or in Hindi, or your communication skills, and that means the degree and that marks are already means you've qualified for the job interview. They are not that much required. So this was all for my video of the first impressions. Thank you.